What do you have in your hand? What has God already placed inside of you? Moses had a rod, simple in the eyes of men, but in the hands of God it became a miracle. What do you have in your hand? Place it in the hands of God. He can use the little you have to accomplish great things. What do you have in your hand? Do not despise small beginnings, for God is able to do the impossible. What do you have in your hand? What do you have in your hand? What has God already placed inside of you? Moses had